Cadillac Escalade 2023 is the SUV that is an unbelievably relentless vehicle that you may want to buy. Let's look into it. Overview. The Cadillac Escalade has long been the brand's flagship, its enormous size and intimidating appearance promoting its outgoing, red-blooded American approach to luxury. The Escalade makes a strong argument to be a competitor to other large luxury SUVs like the Lincoln Navigator, Jeep Grand Wagoneer, and Mercedes-Benz GLS class while sharing the same platform as the Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, and Yukon. This is due to the large Caddy's inclusion of the most luxury and cutting-edge amenities available from the manufacturer. Wood, leather, high-end textiles, and satin-finished metals are used to line the cabin. The dashboard has a huge, curvy display that doubles as an infotainment hub and gauge cluster. There are numerous options for driver aid features, such as Cadillac's superb Super Cruise system, which combines hands-free driving with adaptive cruise control. Customers may pick between a potent 6.2-liter gasoline V8 and a diesel-powered inline-six, and this year Cadillac is expanding the Escalade lineup with a wild high-performance V-Series variant with massive horsepower. If the new Hypo Escalade is an elephant that can dance, only time will tell, but given the amazing athleticism of Cadillac's most recent Blackwing-powered cars, we have reason to be optimistic. What's new for 2023? The first Escalade from the V-Series was introduced this year. The supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine from the CT5V Blackwing sedan, winner of the 10 Best Award, is likely to provide the high-performance Escalade V with its 682 HP version. Additionally, it has a sinister, pitch-black exterior. The Versus model features 6-piston Brembo performance brakes with red-painted calipers as well as all-wheel drive as standard equipment. The Versus model Escalade's air suspension has been adjusted to improve handling. With a starting price of $149,990, the Escalade V will be the most expensive model offered by Cadillac when it goes on sale in the summer of 2022. Infotainment and connectivity. The Escalade has been upgraded by Cadillac in terms of electronics. The digital dashboard, which is the vehicle's center of attention, is made up of 3 curved OLED displays that stack on top of one another to create a cool 38 infotainment and connectivity inches of combined digital space. Some of these displays serve as the driver's gauge cluster, while the remaining ones project the Q infotainment system for the driver and passenger. The assortment of screens is reminiscent of the massive monolithic infotainment arrangement found in the Mercedes-Benz GLS class, but the Escalade's stacked design adds depth and appears more seamless than the Benz's. An augmented reality navigation system and an optional rear seat entertainment package with 2 12.6-inch monitors with streaming functionality are further technological elements. A Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto integration are further standard features. Whichever Escalade model is chosen, audiophiles are in for a treat. Cadillac collaborated with Grammy-winning audio and acoustics company AKG to create the basic and optional audio systems for the Escalade. The luxury, sport, and premium luxury versions come standard with a 19-speaker studio sound system, but platinum trims receive the massive 36-speaker AKG studio reference system. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Escalade raises the bar for in-cabin luxury as the Cadillac lineup's flagship. The base luxury trim uses faux leather, but all additional trims use genuine leather, with platinum versions receiving supple semi-aniline hides. An upscale appearance is provided by the dash and door panels being upholstered in leather, the speaker grills being made of aluminum, and the adjustable ambient lighting. Both a normal and long wheelbase variant are available, similar to the outgoing model, with the latter offering more legroom for third-row passengers and more cargo room. Suppose you love to see more like this. Then, consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification. Thank you for watching.